Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last 2 days. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I'll explain you how the price of natural gas has moved in the last week and how the price of natural gas can move in the next week. See, I have clearly mentioned you that as soon as the price started sustaining above a level of 4.2, there is be a further upside. Okay. First thing is this. Second thing is that once started sustaining over $4, there is a probability of upside. And once started sustaining over 4.2, a further upside can be seen. If you look at this particular trend, the previous week we have seen it has made a half around $5 and a low of around 3.9. This is what we have seen looking at this particular chart. If the price keep moving up this level, okay, and if would have sustained a $4 movement, we could have seen the price for would have gone above a level of 4.2 and a further upside can be seen. Now what is there important here is that this particular week we have not seen the price has moved uh, compared to what we have seen the last week. The volatility is less, so as what we have seen, the gap is still pending. That thing that you have to understand here is the gap is still pending at a level of 3.5 and the price now trading at a level of 3.73. So once the price keep falling below a level of 3.7, chances of going towards 3.53 is there because the gap ends here. And from this level, we can see a bounce back can come. Okay. And if it didn't bounce back, we can see it can move towards 3.36. This is what we can see. Or otherwise, if it started going above $4, we have seen it can go further upside. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of natural gas can move in the next week, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglove@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. See, a level of around 3.6 is a strong level. A level of around 3.2 is a strong level. Okay, so if the price fall below a level of around 3.65, because it has bounced back from this level, that is where it has went to $4. But if it started falling below this level, there is a chances that it can fill this gap at a level of 3.5, and from there it can move towards 3.17 if the price didn't bounce back from a level of 3.53. Okay, now look at this particular chart. The previous week we have seen the price after making a half round $5, we have seen the price has come down towards 3.9, and this week the price and the volatility is not much. Today only we have seen the price has made a good fall, otherwise it was moving in the range. Okay, so suppose if the price started falling below this level, okay, so today's low, it is around, this week's low is around 3.65 and the price has made a low of around 3.7 today. So if the price keep moving below a level of $3.7, it can touch its week low. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $3.53. Okay, and suppose if the price falling below 3.53, a further downfall can be seen towards $3.37. This is what we can see. Okay, and if the price falling below that particular level, a further downfall can be seen towards $3.25. But suppose if the price started sustaining above this level, see, this is a weak chart, so what you have to understand, if the price fall below a level of 3.25, chance of going towards a level of 3.17 can be there, and from there we can see it can go further down towards a level of around $3. And if the price fall below this level, a further downfall can be seen, because in a week we have seen a dollar movement last week. So best what you can do, you can trail your SL by $0.15. Okay, and it is very important, if you trail your SL by 0.15, at least you will capture a downside movement. Okay, but suppose if it started sustaining this level, what we can see, suppose if it started sustaining this level, we can see the price can move towards a level of $3.81. And if the price moving above this particular level, because it is a resistance 1, and after that we can see a level of $3.87. This is an R2. Okay, and once the price moving off that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of $4. And if the price moving off that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards 4.23. And if the price moving over a level of 4.23, we can see it can touch a level of $4.39. And if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 4.5. Okay, and once the price moving above 4.5, probability of going towards 4.9 can be seen. And if the price going above that particular level, a further upside can be seen towards $5. And if that sustain, a further upside can be seen towards 5.3. Okay, so when the price started sustaining above a level of 3.8, okay, chances of going towards $4 is very high. And once the price sustain of $4, what best you can do, you can trail your SL by 0.15. Okay, because the probability of going towards 4.2 is very high, and from there a level of $4.5, and once started above 4.5, chances of touching 4.8 to a level of 4.9 can be seen, and then it can go towards 5.3 also. So if you are trailing your SL by 0.15 is very important, and chances of going further upside can be seen. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'll give you the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.